Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Sheila Bigis Morio, 52 years old, single, no kids. 2 years and 2 months working experience as domestic helper in Kuwait. 1 year and 2 months experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong. I can cook but willing to learn more. I can take care elderly and kids. My personality is simple, kind, patient, and loving. I can work alone and I can work co-worker. It depends on how many family member is. My preferred job is to take care elderly. Thank you. Please check my application at Helper Library apps. Thank you and good afternoon.